Hello, linkers. We have some exciting new features to announce that I think a lot of you are really going to enjoy. So first off is context-based AI word translations. Very often words have multiple translations, and the translations found in popular meanings oftentimes do a good job, but sometimes do not do a great job of translating the word in the particular context you find it in. Introducing context-based AI translations. Now, the first meaning that you will find in the list of popular meanings is generated by an AI large language model and is based on the specific context that you're looking at. This is live to all users on web, and at the time of this recording on July 11th, you can enable this as a setting in the iOS app, and it will be available as a default feature on both mobile apps very soon. Users who have been using this feature have found it greatly improves the quality of word lookup in LingQ, so we think you'll enjoy it. Secondly is refresh sentence translation. There are times when the sentence translation shown in sentence view misses the mark. Now you can hit the refresh control, which will pull a new translation for that sentence from whichever sentence translation source you have selected in settings. ChatGPT is the default translation resource, but you can also choose between DeepL and Google Translate. And lots of users have requested more reader background colors and font options, and we're happy to announce the addition of new themes in the reader. On web, you can click this AA button in the top right corner of the reader, and you can choose from these different background colors. You can change the text size here and change the font style here instead of going into the reader settings. You can just do it right from this icon in the reader. And these will be coming soon on both mobile apps as well. But in the meantime, you can access more font options in the iOS and Android apps within the reader or lesson settings. And finally, if you are a regular user of the LingQ web app, you've probably noticed that there's a new statistics interface by now, which you can do a deep dive on the theory behind the LingQ method and what all these different metrics mean and why they matter. And we've also added 2 new metrics. The first is study time, which tracks the total time you spend on any learning activity in LingQ. So that's reading, listening, doing review sessions, all that is tracked. So you get a broader measure of how much time you're spending learning your language. And the more time you spend, obviously, the better chance you're giving yourself of learning more and more. And we also have reading speed, which tracks words per minute, how many words you read per minute in the LingQ reader. And lastly, you've probably noticed on the web library that we have these new provider tabs at the top of the library. For instance, if you click on the LingQ provider tab, well, that will show you a list of lessons that are created by the LingQ team. Likewise, if you click the YouTube tab, it will show you a list of YouTube videos that you can find in the LingQ library. And just a note here, for instance, if I click this Netflix tab, which should show a bunch of Netflix titles that you can import into LingQ, it doesn't show any right here. Well, that's just because I have my library filtered to only showing beginner 2 and intermediate 1 lessons. So if I expand this to show all the different levels, then it will populate with lessons. So just a tip there, if you don't find anything showing there, just expand the level and you should see more. So we'd love to hear your thoughts on these latest enhancements to LingQ here on YouTube or in the update forum. Your feedback can be a key part of improving LingQ over time. That's all for now. Happy linking.